Okay, write both the explicit equation and recursive equation for the sequence. So let me make this bigger, right? Okay. So let's write the explicit equation first. For that, we need to find the imaginary zeroth term, this imaginary zeroth term, right? So first we need to see what's happening here. We're adding 3, we're adding 3, we're adding 3, right? So we're consistently adding 3, which makes it an arithmetic sequence. So that means this imaginary zeroth term, we would subtract 3 to go backwards, and we'd get 2, right? So that's the B, right? And the 3 is the slope. So the explicit would be T of n equals the slope, or the common difference, the 3n plus 2, 2 being the zeroth term. So there's the explicit. Recursive would be T of the next term, T of n plus 1, equals the previous term. And what are we doing? We're adding 3 to the previous term. But remember, for the recursive, we also always have to specify what the first term is, right? Without doing that, you cannot recreate the actual sequence, right? Okay.